Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into something super important: addition and subtraction. These are the building blocks for everything else in math, and by the end of this video you'll feel more confident solving any problem like a pro. Let's get started. Let's start with addition. Imagine you have 268 apples and you get 137 more. How many apples do you have in total? We write 268 plus 137 underneath each other. Start with the 1 place. 8 plus 7 is 15. We write 5 and carry the 1. Now the tens place. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus the 1 from before is 10. Write 0 and carry the 1. Now the hundreds. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So 268 plus 137 is equal to 405. Now let's move to subtraction. You have 604 stickers and give away 278. How many are left? We start with the ones. 4 minus 8. Well, we can't do that, so we borrow from the tens. Now 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, so we write 6. Now for the tens, we have 0 minus not just 7 but 8, which again doesn't work. So we borrow again from the hundreds. Now we have 10 minus 8, which is 2. Now the hundreds place. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So the solution is 326. That was easy, right? But sometimes you need to add or subtract more than two numbers. Let's try. 145 plus 263 plus 392. Again, we write the numbers below each other. Instead of starting to add the first two numbers together and later the third one, we also can stack all three numbers and add them column by column just like before. Don't forget to carry if you need to. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10, so we write 0 and carry the 1. 4 plus 6 plus 9 is 19, plus the 1 is 20, so again we write the 0 and carry this then 2. And for the hundreds we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6, and again plus 2, which is 8. So we write 8. And our solution is 800. What if you need to subtract twice? Let's say you start with 900 points in a game. You lose 245 and then 118 more. Instead of subtract step by step, we again can stack all three numbers and subtract them column by column. We start with the ones. 5 plus 8 is 13. 0 minus 13 doesn't work, so we borrow 2 from the tens. Now it's 20 minus 13, which is 7. For the tens we have 4 plus 1 plus 2, which is 7. 0 minus 7 doesn't work, so again we borrow, this time from the hundreds, so we have 10 minus 7, which is 3. For the hundreds place, we have 9 minus 4, we write 5, so the solution is 537. Alright, awesome job today. You've practiced how to add and subtract two numbers and even how to work with three numbers. Remember, the more you practice, the faster and more confident you'll get. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what topic we should cover next. Thanks for watching, see you next time.